Good morning or good afternoon. My name is Kimberly Bishop. I am the owner and one of the attorneys at the Bishop Law Firm located in Raleigh, North Carolina. The Bishop Law Firm represents personal injury clients in car accidents, slip and falls, premise liability, motorcycle accident, pedestrian accident, wrongful death, and other types of personal injury cases. Our firm does not get paid unless you win, and we also offer free case reviews. This video is going to discuss medical bills after a North Carolina car accident. One of the greatest problems facing an accident victim is how to pay for the medical treatment that they had to receive because of their injury. North Carolina is a contributory negligence state, which means that the victim must not be at fault for their injury in order to recover. So after you are in your accident, you may have went to the emergency room. You may have been transported to the emergency room by ambulance. You may have been airlifted. You may have waited until later that day and went to an emergent care facility in order to receive treatment. Usually what our clients do is when they have that initial medical appointment after their accident, they give their own health insurance information. North Carolina does not allow health insurance plans to recover from the accident victim's settlement funds. But, and this is a very large but, some insurance companies are entitled to reimbursement out of your personal injury settlement. Some notable exceptions are Medicare, Medicaid, and other self-funded health insurance plans are going to be able to get the money back that they have spent for the treatment you received from your personal injury. They are going to file liens against your personal injury settlement, and they do intend to get their money back. The second thing that you can do with the medical bills after a car accident is file a claim with the at-fault driver's car insurance for your personal injury. A personal injury claim is different than a property damage claim. Often you're going to have different adjusters for the two types of claims. Once you file this claim with the personal injury insurance adjuster, the personal injury insurance adjuster may want to do a recorded statement. They're going to want you to tell them all the places you've been for medical treatment so they can get your medical records, etc., and so forth. But filing a personal injury case can take substantial time, and in the meantime, many clients use their own health insurance, as I've already referred to in number 1. The third thing that you can do to try to help with the medical bills after a car accident is try to obtain MedPay from your own health insurance company. Medical payments, as it is called, this just covers the medical expenses, your medical expenses. This does not cover pain and suffering, and also it does not matter who was at fault for the accident. You could have been at fault for the accident and still be eligible to receive medical payment. Now, if the person that hit you, who is responsible for the accident, has auto insurance, but their insurance limits are not enough to cover the damages of the accident, you can file a claim under UIM, which is underinsured motorist coverage. Now, UM, which is uninsured motorist coverage, is mandatory in North Carolina, while UIM, underinsured motorist coverage, is only required in auto insurance policies that have greater than the North Carolina minimum limits. So in North Carolina, the minimum policy limits are $30,000 for bodily injury for each person, $60,000 total bodily injury for all persons in an accident, and $25,000 for property damage. So if you have limits that are greater than the 30, 60, 25, you are going to be required in North Carolina to have the underinsured motorist coverage. So you can either use uninsured or underinsured, but there are two different ways that you may be able to recover from your own insurance policy if the person that's responsible for the accident did not have auto insurance or they did not have enough auto insurance to pay for all your damages. A major problem that our clients have is if they don't have health insurance of their own. If you don't have health insurance, there are a couple of different ways you can try to obtain medical treatment. One way is to apply for UNC or Duke Charity Care. Try to find low-cost clinics on a sliding scale who may be able to treat you. You can apply for Medicaid. You can try to work out a payment arrangement with the providers. There are many chiropractors and even physical therapists who will treat you while you have a personal injury case going on, because they're going to exert a lien over your personal injury settlement. So even if you do not have health insurance, if you're having pain, if you're having discomfort, you do need to be seeking medical treatment. And this is good for your case, but also the most important thing is that this is good for your health. Because if your body is giving you signs, that means you definitely need to listen to your body and get checked out. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about personal injury, or if you have sustained a personal injury, my office offers free case reviews, and we don't get paid unless you win. We also offer case reviews by phone, 919-615-3095. Thank you. Have a good day.